Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you. Right, today another video, part of my design team project share from Happiness in Crafting, designed by the lovely Gi Kerr. Today I want to share a new fantastic digital kit called the Shabby Shade of Pink. So if you like pink and floral, ta-da, that's the kit for you. Let me show you, before I show you what I made, let me show you the kit first. So in this beautiful kit, you can 10 pages, it's an A4 size, as a background pages. Okay, so I'm going to show you one by one. So you've got this lovely, and I don't know if you can see the detail, it's got the really nice Baroque decorative floral element, and then the writing on the top, like a vintage writing. Second, you get this one. Again, it's a lot pink and decorative motifs on the back. You get this gorgeous one with the lovely roses. This is probably one of my favorite. So you've got a really nice background with the roses, the butterfly, the flowers, the writing. Very shabby, very vintagey. Another background. One with the roses and the little gardener. Really pretty idea. A little book. What I like is all distress at the edges. It's really pretty. That one, I mean, look at that. That will look amazing as a journal cover. Then we have this one with the big flowers in there. This one here with the butterfly and the little postcard. This one here. I love these, it's really pretty. And then in this set, in this kit, you get 6, so you get 4 on these pages and 2 more on this page here. Little embellishment to create your card. So this can be used for greeting cards and also for your journaling card. So look how pretty they are, 6 in total, really pretty. So gonna make some of this. And then on this page, you got all your embellishments. So you get this little nice band, 7 banners with a little point in there. It's a lovely oval. And then on here you got all your little pockets, so you got 4 really nice one, all this embellishment here, 3 more banners and the little heart with a butterfly. How pretty does that look? And the last page you get 6 butterflies there, 2 more again rectangular motifs, and the 2 ovals there. Okay, as usual guys, I will put the links here on the bottom, so to put the link to Gi's Etsy shop so you can purchase the kit, and also to Gi Kerr's YouTube channel and Facebook group. All the links will be down below. Okay guys, so let me show you what I made. So first off, I've made, let me zoom in, some of these journals card, but again you can use them, you can make them as greetings card, if I can speak. And I put a little handmade stamp here in the corner. I use another kit from Gi. This is the mini embellishment kit. When I created this fork stamps, and in case you missed it, I will put the link in here. And also guys, everything that I mentioned that I already made, I will put the link down below in the info box, and you see all the links to the relevant videos. So that's the journal cards. I mount some in on a pink background, on a pink cardstock, and some of them are on a black cardstock, and I left it really simple on purpose. And what I did here, created these little stitches. I used my jelly gold pen, if I can find it. Oh, there it is. It's the jelly gold pen. Really simple. So that's 2, then that's another one with a little stamp there, 1 there, and another one there. So again, very simple. Then I made this little, I felt like a gift set for somebody's birthday or anything really. So it comes, I just put a little ribbon, so it comes like this in a little presentation. And what I did, I made a coaster using these lovely images. And as you can see, guys, you saw me make lots of coasters in the past. This is from Paula. There's a set of 4 here. They come like that. Just a set of 4. They're £1. Yes, £1. And they are great, like craft fair ideas, because you can make this in bulk and you can sell them. I left the back plain on purpose, but you can do what you want with it. And I'm put a layer of Mod Podge and a heat resistant glossy vanish to make sure the coaster is protected, so you can put a hot drink on top, a little happy birthday card to go with it. And as you can see, I distressed it with my gold wax. You know me so well, guys, I am obsessed with the Pibeo Gideo. This is the Renaissance Gold. Ooh, it's almost finished. I'm hoping they will last me till the end of the year. And then I kind of decoupaged it, if you kind of want to call it like that. It's a mini chopping board. Again, this is from Powerland as well. What I did, I cut this image there, and then I cut this image there, and I simply glued them. Apologies about my nails, but I got glue and pens everywhere. Then I had this napkin. In fact, guys, this was gifted to me. So if you know, it's an Italian, funny enough. It's an Italian poem. If you know where I can find napkins like this with this handwriting, please let me know, because I searched on Amazon, I searched on eBay, I can't find them. But if you guys came across any, please give me a shout. Anyway, so this is chopping board. So I put the napkins just to fill the gap. So one there, a bit up there, and a bit up there. And then put all the gold wax all across the edge, sealed with a layer of Mod Podge. And then after it's dried, I put another layer of my glossy, heat resistant vanish. So again, people can use it. I don't really recommend it because it's still varnish and still a bit chemical, but if you put like a little display, maybe with like a bowl on it on your table, then yes, but I wouldn't personally put food on it. But I think it's a really cute gift set if you present it like that, and it all matches your card and all of that. Then I made some paper clips. So I'm gonna leave it on the black background so you can see them better. So those two here, that's better. Those two here on the side are very similar to the one I made not long ago. So remember when I did the video showcasing how to make those, and I put a link in here and also, guys, in the info box. Remember when I showed you how to make these color coordinated paper clips? I mean, they've got quite a lot of beads that I made. They are paper beads actually there. I put some stars, presents. I mean, they were Christmas themed, but those ones I put the banners in there. And also, this one is the hidden paper clip, as you can see. So that's the front and that's the back, so you can't see it. So again, I've done another video how to make these hidden paper clips. I'll link it down below. But how cute do they look? I mean, you can't really see it's a paper clip. I really like these layers there. Put some gems. And what you do, you just put it on your page, just like that. You just slide it in, and then it's stuck there. Really like those two as well, but that's probably my favorite one. Okay, so that's that. Then, part of my altered playing card series, I made this gorgeous card. I was inspired by all this beautiful floral, pink, roses and so on. So I made, actually this way, I altered this card. I haven't used Gi's kit. I only used this embellishment here, actually from Gi's paper. I've used this napkin here. Again, I literally almost did it all. I got this bit left and this tiny little bit. What I did, guys, simply decoupage it all. And then with my Sharpie, red Sharpie, I went up again and just coloured it, the number and the hearts, so to make sure they are visible once all's done. I really like this. I mean, how fabulous is this? Really floral. Love it, love it. And I think this little embellishment will just finish it off. Okay, and then last but not least, I decorated a little notebook I made. Simply put the cover there, put another page paper in here. These are just coffee and tea stain paper. One picture here and one on the back. Really, really simple. And then the person that will receive it will decorate and use all the part on the kit. Like you've got, as you can see at the beginning of the video, you put your pockets, your belly bands, so you can decorate this. But I'm going to leave it quite plain. And also made, I hope you like it, this really boohoo inspired tassel. Again, last week or week ago, I can't remember, I show you how I made my Christmas themed tassels. I put some jingle bells in here, and again I put the link in the info box. And I made this one. I actually used some this is like a plastic pearl. Yeah, I know it looks white, but it's actually, everything is actually quite pinkish. Oh yeah, you can probably see better. And even this fabric here is pink stained, and you've got a bit of green, which I thought it matches the leaves. And what I did, I just simply put, you see this band in here is a white thread that goes here, goes inside, and I attach the tassel there. But again, the person that will receive this little notebook can untie that, keep the tassel for something else, and you can use the notebook just like that. Okay, but I really like this tassel. I think it's quite fun. Got this little pom-pom there. Okay guys, that is it. I hope you like these goodies. My favorite one, I can't really pick this time, guys, because I really liked everything. Guys, if you like this video, please only give me a big thumbs up, because that will tell YouTube that you like what I make. Don't forget, if you want to purchase this kit, I will put the link down below. That takes you straight to Gi Kerr's Happiness in Crafting Etsy shop and to her details as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.